So here we have the Skoda Octavia 2-litre TDI SEL DSG, which is the automatic, on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door estate car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the boot, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You get half leather seats. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle you can see the total miles for this car are 13,694. The information displayed above that can be changed using buttons on the steering wheel. So we're on the audio menu at the moment. There are other menus available to us. So you can see there we have telephone, vehicle, your driving data, assist systems, navigation, and then back round to audio again. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using a moment ago are these ones on the right hand side. On the left hand side we have stereo controls and voice activation for the phone. So hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it can do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is of course once you paired up your phone, and that is done on the central screen just here, amongst other things of course. But if you want to pair your phone, just hit that button and then hit find telephone in the center there. When it comes to the radio, we've got DAB, FM and AM radio available to us. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. Just hit the media button, and then source down the bottom here will reveal all the different ways in which you can listen to your own music. So we've got 2 SD memory card slots, USB input, Bluetooth audio, auxiliary input, and also wireless connection as well. So down that side, to say, once you pair your phone, you'll be able to make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. Over this side we've got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how that works on our website, which is well worth checking out. Below that we've got dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the temperature on either side of the car. So passenger side, driver side, fan speed up or down from here. You can determine where within the car you'd like the air to be distributed. Then hit that button to turn the air conditioning on, or hit auto, and the car will maintain the temperatures you've asked for by taking control of the fan speed itself. You can override that at any time you wish to by readjusting the fans to whatever area or whatever amount you wish to. Underneath that we've got the auxiliary and USB inputs, and then the fully automatic DSG gearbox. If I move the gear lever out of the way a moment, I'll be able to show you these 3 buttons here. So this will lock the car doors from the outside. This one turns off the stop and start. So this car's designed to cut out when you're stationary in traffic to save you fuel. You can turn that system off from there. And this changes the driver mode for the car. So hit that button, and up on the screen you can see we can put the car in eco mode, normal, sport, or individual. And on individual, they are the things that you can change just there. So we could, for example, have sport steering and keep everything else normal. We could have sport dynamic cornering lighting and everything else could stay normal. Or we could have sport drive and leave everything else on normal. As you can see, you can customize this exactly how you wish to, or you can just pick a setting from the main list. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.